Hello, my name is Johanna Beatty, and this is my final project for Web Programming Summer 2021. Um, so my idea was to create an interactive map of Georgia State University. This kind of ended up varying from my second project proposal. The original one was the Georgia State University one, but I changed it to Atlanta. But I realized that wasn't as much of a feasible idea because Georgia State University's map is much smaller, and it was more efficient to create this map instead. So getting started, I will go ahead and show you how it works through a live demo. This is the home page right here. It's already uploaded onto the COD server. The home page is the interactive map. You can see by me clicking on the tab right here, as well as there's an instruction to tell the user to click the highlighted regions and the highlighted stars to begin exploring the interactive map. Um, so if you look at the interactive map and hover over certain icons that are highlighted in red or stars like the yellow stars, you'll be able to click well, the mouse changes and you'll be able to click it and it'll take you to a certain or a specific section of the page that shows or it talks about that specific place on the map. Yeah, this specific place is Petite Science Center. Just to go ahead and show an example of where it'll take us, this is Petite Science Center right here, and it says it so that people don't get confused because you can't see the exact place on the page it takes you to necessarily, but it brings you to a close range. So if I click it, it takes me to the Petite Science Center, and it's at the top of the page right here. Yeah, if you click a star like this one right here, it'll also take you to that restaurant. Same with Sweet Auburn Market right here. Alright, moving forward, we also have a directory. This directory, I really wanted it to also be a favorites page. However, I couldn't get the JavaScript code to work that well, so I did include the JavaScript function to kind of append or move items in a list. It wasn't as easy as I thought it would be because JavaScript is the client server language, and yeah, so it can't really hold data that well, but this function does work in a way. It takes some from the list and then adds them to a favorites list down here. So it's very primitive and raw, but I tried to get it to work. Also, I would have liked to include more information about these places on the map as well, like their address or their phone number, but this was enough for now to show that the information could be included there, and this is in the directory. Moving on to the guide, this is just a tab for where the interactive map was mapping those images to. Mapping those places on the image to, and this is just the overall guide that people can really look into. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Really, this web application is directed to other students like me, so I made it very user friendly to students like me. Yeah, thank you for your time, and I had a wonderful semester. Thank you, Professor, for all of your understanding and your patience. I had a great semester. Thanks. Bye.